No water not there from when. Say, people may say from when, you know. Don't rain no fall. And yeah, so when me there say I know, you know. And me I tell you say, me have to come to go, me have to go catch up water, full up in a them or something, you know, you know. For no water, no pipe, rain no fall from when. And me I tell you say, I just dry this. So, see what me have to do now, me have to carry all of them or something, you know, you know. You go full them up. Now come and spring, come full them up here now. The car, so that water can there. The car water for use. You see it? Why some real life, you just have to work with it, you know. You just have to work with it. Alright? So me have to full them, you know. And so you have to go on in, and so you have to go. What you do? Me not worry myself. Me not worry myself, you know. Anyhow life can go. At least we can still get water. And when me have to full up water, the important thing is that, whoa, we can't get water for use. And me can't manage them kind of something, you know, because see them now, and they look up, remember saying no heavy this, you know, and they look up, take me start, take up me, you see my lungs. I irritate my lungs right there now, but they take me time. I say I have to go in, and that anything a person have to do to survive, you know? Anything you have to do to survive. You just have to do to survive. You don't make no sense. You're going to worry and say, me don't know water, me can't bother to go catch water. Anything to survive. I just say that to go. Right? Me say, oh God. You see what I'm going here now? And this is going, you know, water. To get the water. Aye boy. Water, no water. No rain. Now you see yes or no? Think about it, you know. A rain water. They have to depend on, you know, for this place yes or no. Me just recently come here, so you know. I recently come here, so you know. I recently come here, so. And this is me a fear though. Get water, throat, if in a house. Cause no water, no pipe. Can you imagine? You're still a place in a world where we don't have running pipe and they have to depend on the rain. I must say from last year, October, no rain no fall. So guess what now? No water no catch, the tank them empty. They only jump them. And yesterday, you know, just yesterday, a lot of fucking night, last night. And last night the water truck come. And it couldn't even come up the hill. They have to just put out the jump them. Oh God. They have to just put out the jump them out there, so see? Then they jump them now and then they pull the hose. And it chuck the way down at the bottom of the hill there. And they pull the hose and full up them the tree jump there. Then the tree jump there and thing. So, and so comes now. We can't get the water. Thank God. You better not at all. You better not at all, you know. Because you see when you don't have water to use. You see if you don't have food to eat, you can find any little something. You can go and grow. You can dig 2 potatoes. You can dig breadfruit. You can get little ackee, although in a different time, you know, you see a time dry. Let me tell you something. You see a time dry now. You can't look on the ackee tree now and see it up in and say, yeah man, ackee tree up in. Because guess what? through the time dry, the sun now up in the mature in the aki, and the aki now premature. You know really are the real up in it. So if you eat it, you can't natural because two people pick aki from their own aki tree and cook it and eat it and them dead. Because the aki never really up in a premature opening because of the sun up in it. So let me tell you something. When the time dry, you know nothing, pick no aki when you see up in a tree. No buy no aki when you see a celery because them a dry time yeah, a premature aki up in it. You hear me tell you no? Members say me want you know. Alright, so in the meantime, now that the water they don't out of this now, me have to go get one. Me have to go get some more water now, but guess what? That there's something there out there so. Me can't lift up that there because me have to just go baby out there. Me can't carry. I mean that even boys, he not even there for even go lift up a bucket for me. So right now, what me might have to go do? Me have to go way out there so. Fi go carry the water. Fi come full up here so. Cause me can't lift up here. Me can't lift up here. So me I go see how best way me can get the water. Me I go try get some help to carry the water come put here so. So let me tell you something now. Me have to go down out there so go say me can call somebody, you know. Fi carry the water come put in here so. So me soon me get back to you. Alright, as soon as me sort that out, me make you see what go on. Alright, bless up on yourself.